You lied to your men and betrayed the mercenaries who fought for you. What's happening to you, Arthas? Is vengeance all as important to you?
Spare me, Muradin. You weren't there to see what Mal'Ganis did to my homeland.
The Dark Lord said you would come. This is where your journey ends, boy. Trapped and freezing at the roof of the world, with only death to sing the tale of your doom.
This looks bad. We're completely surrounded.
There's still one chance. Help me claim Frostmourne. If it's as powerful as you said, it might tilt the scales in our favor.
I have a bad feeling about this, lad. But I promised I'd see this through.
Captain, I'll leave you to organize our defense. Let's move out. I stand for the light.
Is my aid required? I am your servant.
How may I
Forces
serve?
are under attack.
I'll do my best.
Is someone
The
injured?
light is my strength.
From the Bronzebeards!
Will it be hotshot? What a good idea.
I am
What
ready.
ails you?
How may I
Do
serve?
you
Yes, my
require
friend.
aid, human?
More
I'm here to
lumber
help.
is required.
Let's get moving. Let's do this.
Sire?
I'm ready and waiting.
Is there danger? Of course.
Our forces are under attack.
Justice shall be done.
Your kindness
I
is
stand
human,
for the
aren't you?
light.
It's hammer time.
Research.
A sound
Our
plan.
town is under siege.
What is your wish?
My aid.
I am honored.
Of course.
Ready to work. How may I serve? I am ready. How may I serve?
Yes.
What is your wish?
Yes, my liege.
I'll do my best.
Of course.
Will it be hotshot?
What do you need?
How may I
What
serve?
deals?
Our forces are under
What is your
attack.
Do
wish?
you
Yes,
require aid, human?
Man for the king!
Ready to work.
Yes, my lord. I'm here to help. Certainly. For honor.
I am ready. For Lordaeron. Ready to work. More work? Yes, me lord. What? Righto. Off I go then.
I stand for the light. Certainly. For honor. Certainly. Of course.
Aye, sir. Aye, sir.
I'm here to help. Is there danger?
Let's get it on. That's more like it.
For honor. The light is my strength. Of course. For honor.
You are past
What's
redemption.
happening? Let's do
town
this.
is
I'm
here to
the
help.
shooter.
Certainly.
What is your wish?
What
Our
deals?
forces are under attack.
Get down, Sparky.
Your honor. You can count on me.
How may I serve?
Is my aid required?
I am ready.
Of course.
Let's get it on.
Research.
Is there danger? A sound plan.
You have a
The
target?
light is my strength. Of course. For honor. Of course. For honor.
What is your wish?
Justice shall be done. A sound plan. I stand for the light. For honor. For my father, the king.
Cosmodon! Let's do this.
Justice shall be done.
I'm ready.
I stand for the light. A sound plan.
Research complete. Research complete.
Justice shall be done. Certainly.
Turn back, mortals. Death and darkness are all that await you in this forsaken vault.
I doubt there's anything down here more terrifying than what we've faced already.
Believe what you will, boy. You shall not pass.
What is your forces are under attack.
I'm ready.
I stand for the light.
What's happening? A bronze spear!
You are past.
What do you need?
Is there danger?
Take this, you
I stand.
bastard!
Turn away before it's too late.
Still trying to protect the sword, are you?
No. Trying to protect you from it.
Research complete.
Behold, Muradin, our salvation.
Frostmourne. Halt, lad. There's an inscription on the dais. It's a warning. It says, "Whomsoever takes up this blade shall wield power eternal. Just as the blade rends flesh, so must power scar the spirit." Oh, I should have known. The blade is cursed. Let's get the hell out of here.
I would gladly bear any curse to save my homeland.
Leave it be, Arthas. Forget this business and lead your men home.
Damn the men! Nothing shall prevent me from having my revenge, old friend. Not even you. Now, I call out to the spirits of this place. I will give anything or pay any price if only you will help me save my people.
Prince Arthas, where is Muradin? We can't hold out for much longer.
Muradin is dead. But take heart, Captain. The enemy will not stand long against the might of Frostmourne. I'm here to help. For honor.
Aye, sir.
I am ready. I am honored.
Do you
Yes, my
require
friend.
aid, human? Help me help you.
More lumber is required.
How may
I
serve?
stand for the light. A sound plan. Of course. Certainly.
I am ready.
Research
I'll do my
complete.
best. I am honored.
Justice shall be
What
done.
is your wish?
The light is my strength.
I'll do what it takes. More lumber is required. Research complete.
More work? Yes, my lord.
Do you
Justice
require
shall be
aid,
done.
human?
Of course.
Is someone...
Help
I am
me
ready.
help you.
Combat! You can do what it
The
takes.
light is my strength.
How may I
Research
serve?
complete.
I stand for the light. For honor. I'm here to help. Certainly. The light is my strength. I stand for the light. Justice has come.
It's hammer time. Aye, sir.
I'm here to help. A sound
Research
plan.
complete.
Will it be
For my
hotshot?
father, the king. Of course. A sound plan.
Betrayer of the light.
Of course. A sound plan.
Where do you want us?
Research complete. Research.
Show us a
Help
target.
me.
Where do you want us?
Justice shall be done. I'm here to help. Justice shall be done.
Your Honor.
Yes, for honor. Of course.
I am ready.
Yes, my lord.
What is your wish?
I'm your suitor.
Will it be hotshot?
I stand for the light. I'm here to help. Is there danger? I'm here to help. I stand for the
It's
light.
hammer time.
Certainly.
Our town is under siege.
This better be.
I am ready. How may I serve?
Command me.
What is your wish? I am ready. Is there danger?
Your Honor. Absolutely. I'm ready with a tight warrior.
You need. Where do you want us? On our way.
I stand for the light.
Our forces are under attack.
A sound.
Hello.
Say the word. Yes, my liege. Yes, my lord.
What do you need? Orders?
Will it?
The light and strength. Of course. I'm here to help.
You are past redemption. Your Honor.
The light and strength. Justice shall be done.
Orders?
Is there danger? For honor. Of course.
Forces are under attack.
Justice shall be done.
I can count on me.
Say the word. Where do you want us?
Show us a target.
Move out. Hello. There, then.
I'm here to help. A sound plan.
I'm your
Where do you want us?
Justice shall be done. For honor. I'm here to help.
I'll do what it takes.
You need.
Justice shall be done. The light.
You can count on me.
I stand for the light.
Yes, my...
Kick down,
Is there
Sparky.
danger?
Do you require aid?
Stand for the light. Of course. Certainly.
Feel my wrath. You are past redemption. Our forces are under
better.
attack.
For honor.
Show us a target.
Justice shall be done. Of course.
Hello.
Kick down, Sparky. What?
A sound plan.
Betrayer of the light.
What do you need?
Do you?
Is there danger?
require aid?
Foul knave. Certainly. For honor. Of course. For my father, the king. Justice is come. For honor. Of course.
Research
A
complete.
sound plan. Of course.
I await your command.
A sound plan.
Sire?
What do you need? Say the
Justice
word.
shall be done. For honor.
More lumber is required.
I'm here to help.
Betrayer of the light. You can count on me.
Justice shall be done.
You can count on me.
Kick down, Sparky.
I'm here to help. The light is my strength.
You are past redemption. Count me in.
Justice shall be done. Certainly.
Aye, my lord. Command me. Of course.
Do you require aid, human?
Justice shall be done.
This better be good.
Orders?
Do you require
my aid required?
human?
Yes, my liege.
Will it be hotshot?
Research
This
complete.
better be good. It's about
do you need?
time.
I'm here to help. Justice shall be done. A sound plan. Certainly.
Betrayer of the light. Yes, my liege. Right.
Do you require aid, human? What a good idea. It's about time.
Say the word. Dwarves!
This
Let me
better
at
be
'em.
good.
I stand for the light. For honor. Certainly. For honor.
Our
Of course.
forces are under attack.
Help me. Now
You need.
I'm here to help.
Research
Is there
complete.
danger? Certainly. Of course. Certainly. A sound.
Yes, my liege.
I'm here to help. Certainly.
What do you need? Of course.
will it be hotshot?
I stand for the light.
Say the word.
Help me.
Aye,
help
my lord.
you.
On my way. Aye, my lord.
Kick down, Sparky.
Yes, my liege.
Is there danger? Foul knave.
More lumber
Here to help.
is required.
Help me.
Say the
help
word.
you.
I stand for the light. A sound plan. Of course. For honor.
Betrayer of the light. Our forces are under attack.
Of course. For honor. A sound plan. Of course. Certainly. For honor. A sound plan. For honor.
Our forces are under attack.
Justice shall be done.
Do you require aid?
I'm here to help. Certainly.
Betrayer of the light.
Will it be hotshot?
I stand for the light. A sound plan. Foul name. For honor. Feel my wrath. Foul name. Of course.
What do you need?
Help me. Help you.
Yes, my liege. Your honor.
Justice shall be done.
Sire. To the death. Let's get to fighting. Orders. On my way. Our forces are under
I'm
attack.
here to help.
You are past the hello.
I stand
down,
for the light.
What a good idea.
I'm here to help.
Show us a target. Hey, you.
I stand for the light.
Our forces
A
are
sound
under
plan.
attack.
For my father, the king.
Help me. Help you.
Justice shall be done. I stand for the light.
Betrayer of the light.
Certainly.
Kick down, Sparky.
Yes, my liege.
Justice shall be done. A sound plan. For my father, the king.
Help me. Help you.
Orders. The light is my strength. Certainly.
Do you require aid, human?
Yes, my liege.
Is there danger? You need justice.
Command me. Your forces are under attack. Absolutely.
The light is my strength.
Sire.
Kick down, Sparky.
Hello! Where do you want us?
Is there danger?
Justice has come. Command me.
I stand for the light. Foul name.
Your Honor. For the King. At once. At once. To the deck. Our forces are under attack. More gold
Yes,
is
my liege.
required. More gold.
Do you require aid, human?
Aye, sir.
Is there danger? A sound plan.
Justice has come.
What ails you? I am your servant.
I stand for the light.
Feel my wrath. Yes, my lord.
Will it be? Your wish is not
Command me. Search complete.
Yes, my friend. Right away.
Your Honor. Let's get to command me.
this better.
I'm here to help.
Where do you want us?
What ails you? I am your servant.
I stand
Help
for the
me.
light.
Your Honor.
Help
Command me.
me. Do you require aid,
The light is my
human?
strength. Justice shall be done.
Our forces are under attack. I'll do what it takes.
This better be good.
I'm here to help.
Your Honor.
Is there danger? For my father, the king.
Kick down, Sparky. Once again, it's up here.
Command me.
The light is my strength.
Feel my wrath. Betrayer of the light. Our forces are under attack. I'm in order.
Will it be, hotshot?
Justice shall be done. Of course.
What do you need? To
Help
arms!
me.
Yes, my lord. The light is my strength.
Will
I
it be?
stand for the light.
Feel my
This better
wrath.
be good.
Betrayer of the light.
Justice shall be done. I stand for the light. Certainly. Of course. A sound plan.
So, you've taken up Frostmourne at the expense of your comrades' lives, just as the Dark Lord said you would. You're stronger than I thought.
You waste your breath, Mal'Ganis. I heed only the voice of Frostmourne now.
You hear the voice of the Dark Lord. He whispers to you through the blade you wield. What does he say, young human? What does the Dark Lord of the Dead tell you now?
He tells me that the time for my vengeance has come.
What? He can't possibly mean to...
It is finished.
Ah, my son.
You no longer need to sacrifice for your people. You no longer need to bear the weight of your crown. I've taken care of everything.
What is this? What are you doing, my son?
Succeeding you, father.
This kingdom shall fall, and from the ashes shall arise a new order that will shake the very foundations of the world.